Our democracy and political stability of our dear nation that I address you today. From unfolding political events in the country, the latest being the brazen rigging of the Saturday, September 21st, 2024 Edo State Governorship election by APC in connivance with government-controlled agencies. It's clear that our democracy is really under threat. As you know, and widely reported in all segments of the media, the 2024 Edo State Governorship election, which was barefacedly compromised by the APC in collusion with unpatriotic security operatives and heavily procured INEC officials who viciously trampled on the votes of the people in defiance of the law and total disregard to the sovereign will of the people of Edo State. You may recall that the PDP has on several occasions alerted you people of this sinister plot by the APC to subvert the election and the roles allegedly being played by the AIG Zone 7 in person of Bennett Egwe and Edo State Commissioner of Police and the appointment of a known apologist of the APC and supporter, Dr. Onoa, at the Edo State Resident Electoral Commission. Several demands by our party, both in written to the IG and INEC chairman, for the deployment of all these officers, which was tendered to them before the advent of this election because of the suspicion and conspiracy to rig this election, which was actually given sign for this election, was neglected completely. Nigerians and the world watch in horror as the APC compromised security operatives and thugs unleashed terror, harassed, arrested, and detained PDP members and supporters, forced siege mentality before and on election day, and paved the way for its agents and procured INEC officials to manipulate the ballot process, substitute genuine results from the polling units with fictitious figures, and transfer the victory clearly won by our candidate, Asue Ighodalo, to the defeated APC candidate. As Nigerians already know, despite the violence, intimidation, and manipulations by the APC, results obtained from the polling unit show our candidate, Dr. Asue Ighodalo, clearly won the election before the figures were altered at the state coalition exercise in favor of the defeated APC candidate. The PDP therefore unequivocally rejects the final result of the Edo State governorship election as declared by INEC, as it did not meet the minimum standard for democracy, having not reflected the express will and aspiration in line with the provision of the Electoral Act 2022 and INEC guidelines for state governorship election. The PDP demands that INEC, within the time stipulated by Section 65 of the Electoral Act 2022, review the Edo State governorship election and announce results only as obtained from the genuine votes cast at the polling units. The PDP calls on all Nigerians and lovers of democracy all over the world to stand up in solidarity with the people of Edo in rejecting this assault on the democratic rights of the people as witnessed in the Edo State governorship election. The people of Edo State clearly choose Dr. Aswe Ighodalo as the next governor of their state, and only their will, as expressed at the polling unit, must be allowed to stand. The PDP charges the people of Edo to remain resolute and undeterred as our party takes sure and firm steps to retrieve the mandate with every means legal and available in a democracy. Thank you for listening.